Now our puppets are ready for the storytelling. Thirsty Crow. One hot day, a crow was very thirsty. He looked for a water here and there, but could not find it. After a long time, he saw a pot, but there was very little water in it, and the crow could not reach the water. He thought of a plan. He started thinking, and he picked up some pebbles one by one and dropped them into the pot. The water came up to the pot. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. He was a very clever crow. The moral of the story is, where there is a will, there is a way. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more kids educational video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.